Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The hungry boy went to the kitchen. He got some fruits from the fridge. He ate with a fork. Eating fruits is good for health, yummy and healthy.
Let's meet with new sounds. Let's do actions with me.
My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Fan, fork, fridge. Fan, fork, fridge. Dear kids, what do you know about the fruits? How do you make or eat a fruit salad?
see you in the next lesson.